I came here because my son, he is absolutely into science. He's 7 years old and he wants to know everything what's going on in the world. And we are so happy that we have this opportunity here in Hamburg, just close to our house. So we decided to come here.
So I'm very happy to be here at the Science Day, and my team, we are focusing on attracting kids and explaining activities for kids, trying to explain the science we do. So we have a little pool with water and they can fish crystals, and we tell them how we study the structures of these crystals. And for me, sharing this with kids is very important, because whenever you talk to a scientist and you ask, why are you a scientist? They will say something like, when I was a child. And so it's very important, because you never know when you are discovering the next scientist.
Genau, wir haben heute hier das Petra 3 im EMBE besucht und es war super faszinierend, auch die Wissenschaftler zu sehen, wie sie mit dem Enthusiasmus an Grundlagen forschen. Also super, super spannend.
Besonders fasziniert haben uns heute Petra 3 und die Beamlines, die ganzen Messstationen und was da für Hardware und Technik dahinter steckt.
War es für mich am beeindruckendsten, dass es nur 2 Minuten dauert, um einen Test durchzuführen. Ich hätte gedacht, dass es 2 Wochen dauert, zum Beispiel so eine Testsequenz durchzuführen. Das war für mich der interessanteste Fakt, den ich da heute mitgenommen habe.